Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to compare two of the most popular air fryers in the market, the Secura Air Fryer and the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. We will be evaluating them based on their features, performance, and value for money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews like this. When it comes to capacity, the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo takes the lead with a 26-quart 25-liter capacity. It can hold up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken on one layer. On the other hand, the Secura Air Fryer holds up to 5.3 quarts, 5.0 liters, which is still quite generous. Both appliances are great for feeding a large family or entertaining guests. The COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo has 12 different functions for air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, etc., which makes cooking any recipe a breeze. You can explore more possibilities by saving your preferred time and temperature. The Secura Air Fryer, however, is an all-in-one convenience cooker that can be used daily to fry, roast, bake, reheat, or grill. It heats up in just 3 minutes, making it a quicker option for weeknight dinners. When it comes to technology, both appliances are designed to cook faster, more energy efficient, and with little to no mess. The COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo has 6 heat elements and a 2-speed fan, allowing you to cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. The Secura Air Fryer, on the other hand, uses convection technology to circulate hot air rapidly for fast and even frying with little to no oil. So it ultimately comes down to your personal preference and cooking needs. If you want to cook smarter, the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo offers connectivity that cannot be matched. You can use your smartphone to tap the VSync app and make meals at the touch of a button, or enjoy hands-free control of your toast oven by connecting to the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Secura Air Fryer, unfortunately, does not have these connectivity features. Both appliances are relatively easy to clean. The COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo has an external removable crumb tray that prevents the backflow of soup from dirtying the bottom. Its non-stick food tray is also easy to clean. The Secura Air Fryer has a non-stick basket and a cool touch exterior, which makes cleaning easier than traditional fryers. When it comes to price, there is a significant difference between the two appliances. The Secura Air Fryer costs just around $56 US, while the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is priced at $159 US. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly appliance, the Secura Air Fryer is a great choice. However, for those who want extra functionality and connectivity, the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo might be worth the investment. And that's a wrap on our comparison of the Secura Air Fryer and the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Both appliances have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on what you're looking for in an air fryer. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.